What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram username. So once you're in Instagram guys, the first thing that you want to do is to click your profile on the lower right hand side. Now once you click on that, it will take you into this page here where you can do changes to your account. So what you want to do now, you want to click on edit profile here under this dashboard. So click on edit profile, and from here you have name and you also have the username. You want to tap on the section that says username, and from there you can change the username. So if I go ahead and let's say remove this and type, for example, Drew, you will see that this username is not available. Because what's happening guys, you have to ensure that your username is unique. Unique username will only be approved by Instagram, and there's no two-person can have the same username. After all, once you have your username, you will have a unique link that people can go to your profile. So there you have it. You cannot have two person with the same username. Now once you find a username that you like and it's available, you will see that it's available. So I'm going to put back tutorial here, and as you can see, you will get a blue check mark in the upper right hand side. Simple means that you can take and use a username. And as you can see, the below message, it says you'll be able to change your username back to Drew Tutorial for another 14 days. So that's also important to know, that once you're changing usernames, you have this time that you can change back. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and click the blue check mark on the uppermost right hand side just to confirm again the username that I would like to use. And that's all there is to it, guys. This is very easy and very simple.